Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for new uploaded videos. Here we are today in our hair growth journey after our second big chop in June of 2016 because we damaged our hair and by adding some color. But it has grown back healthy. We do a lot of scalp manipulation. We keep it moist. We shampoo it once a week. We add products to it that help keep moisture in our hair, and we're going to be doing so many other things. But yeah, I am so pleased with my hair growth. Yes, ladies, I use grease, okay?
I use grease. Now, some people don't use grease, but I am a grease user, and my favorite is Blue Magic Coconut Oil. This brought me from a mighty long way. Click on the card above and you will see the results that grease gave me. I remember Mom using this as a little child, so I went back to an oldie but a goodie. So this is what I'm gonna do with this grease, okay? But you non-grease people, y'all not gonna like this. Y'all ain't gonna like it, okay? It's okay though, it's okay. This is optional. Use what works for you, okay? So now we're gonna grease our scalp. Yes!
And I also have found that by greasing my scalp and doing the scalp manipulations and also brushing my hair a lot with my demi brush, this has helped to wake up, I believe, the follicles in my scalp because I brush my hair a lot, okay? And this too is optional, but definitely put those phalanges, those fingers up in there and manipulate that scalp, okay?
On our protective styles. All the information about her will be right here, okay? Now this one was requested by one of my viewers a while back in color number 2. We have come a long way, baby, from alopecia to hair growth, and now we're at that point where we've done our second chop, and I've shown you how my hair has grown from that, okay? I am truly focused on not just a hair growth challenge, but a hair growth, healthy hair growth is what I'm really focusing on. Because if the hair is healthy, it's going to grow. So if there is life in your hair follicles, your hair will grow, okay? But if there's no life there, that hair is not going to grow. It doesn't matter what products you put on it. And the products that I am using for my hair growth challenge may not work for you, but these are the products and the methods that work for me. And I'm going to see how healthy my hair is going to get. I don't take multivitamins, but I do take an all-natural herbal tea. I do that on a daily basis. I do exercise periodically, and I do eat fruits and vegetables. Now, what I'm going to have to increase on water. Yes, I'm going to have to increase on drinking water because water is important for our natural hair growth as well as for our body. This is my healthy hair growth challenge that I am taking, and if you want to, you can join me. Now, I'm not going to post a lot of videos all the time, so what I'm going to do is once I see some changes, I will post a video. But I'm going to be watching how my hair reacts to the manipulation, the scalp manipulations that I'm going to be giving it every day. I'm going to watch how my hair is going to react to me drinking more water. So again, if you want to join me in this healthy hair growth challenge, do so. Comment below and let me know if there's anything that maybe I could add to my challenge. So just because you wear a wig, don't forget to protect your hair, okay? And make sure that your hair is well taken care of, because I do. So let's take this healthy hair growth challenge together, okay?